Welcome to our workshop. In this video, we are showcasing the pre-shipment test run of our 200 to 300 kilograms per hour cable recycling machine. Our workshop is currently filled with equipment for clients from various countries, most of which have already completed pre-shipment testing. This ensures that every machine we deliver is fully functional and ready for use. Even though this 200 to 300 kilograms per hour cable recycling machine is a mature and highly reliable model with very low failure rates, we still perform a thorough pre-shipment test. If clients are unable to visit our factory, we can provide a live online test demonstration or send a video of the test run to ensure full transparency and satisfaction. We also provide comprehensive services including shipment, installation, and daily maintenance guidance. If you're interested in learning more about our equipment or a specific machine catches your eye, subscribe to our channel and contact us directly.